Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. To begin, simply press the brake pedal firmly and then push the power button. You'll know the vehicle is ready to drive when the ready indicator light appears on your dashboard. Next, you can select your preferred drive mode using the convenient dial located on the center console. It's a straightforward process to get you on the road. Your RAV4 Hybrid offers several drive modes to suit different conditions. EV mode lets you drive on electric power alone for about 1 mile at speeds up to 25 miles per hour, perfect for quiet neighborhoods. ECO mode helps maximize your fuel economy by adjusting engine and climate control. For a more spirited drive, Sport mode provides quicker acceleration and a more responsive feel. A key feature of your RAV4 Hybrid is its regenerative braking system. When you slow down or brake, this smart system captures kinetic energy and converts it into electricity, which then recharges the hybrid battery. This not only boosts your fuel efficiency, but also helps extend the life of your conventional brake pads. You can easily monitor this energy flow on your vehicle's display. Fueling your RAV4 Hybrid is simple. It uses regular unleaded gasoline with an octane rating of 87 or higher. For best performance and safety, remember to check your tire pressure frequently. Maintaining proper inflation, typically around 36 pounds per square inch, is crucial. Always adhere to the recommended maintenance schedule to ensure your hybrid remains reliable for many years.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.